In front of me here you can see a range of the drones that we use as part of our surveillance and inspection program. We use these primarily for inspections and mapping in support of our helicopter program, because these are designed to be used at a site-based level rather than surveying large areas. First of all, we have the Mini 3 Pro, very small machine, really capable of taking high quality images, but very useful for using in areas where there's lots of people that we don't have control over the whole site, so parkland type scenarios. We then have the Mavic 3, again takes really good pictures, up to a 48 megapixel image, but this one also has autonomous functions to enable us to carry out mapping missions. So we can take photographs of an area and stitch those photographs together to make a map. And then that map we can then assess for changes over time with various different data sets. And then the largest machine that we have is the M300. This is a very capable survey machine, does exactly the same as the Mavic 3, takes pictures as well as doing mapping, but the main functionality with this is the ability to put different payloads on. So we can use things like LiDAR, really high quality surveying images, and multispectral cameras. The main limitations with using these, it requires quite a bit of training. You just can't pick these up off the shelf and expect to produce high quality products. There's also quite a bit of regulation around them. So we have a number of permissions from the Civil Aviation Authority, particularly in relation to this larger machine. There's weather, they can't fly these in the rain, particularly not only just because they're flying computers basically, but also rain on the cameras. They don't like too high a wind. And there's also airspace restrictions, so some parts of the UK you can fly around quite happily with minimal interaction with other aircraft. Some places near airports and prisons it's a lot more restricted.